Hello friends, this is Smita from the blog Smiling Colors and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick lettering. I'm using the Tombow dual brush pens. This is the pastel set. It comes with a nice color palette already. Now one of the questions I get asked most whenever I post a video on YouTube is, what paper should I use with my Tombow dual brush pens? So this is the book I'm using today. It's a sketchbook by Strathmore. It's the mixed media paper book. So as the name suggests, it has mixed media paper in it, which means it's good for different techniques. You can mix pen, marker, and such. But what's important is it comes with a vellum surface. So it's a really smooth surface. So the paper has a really smooth finish. There's no grain to it. That just means your Tombow dual brush pens will last longer. So today I'm going to be trying to letter the letter S in 16 different ways. It took me a long time to pencil sketch this out, but the thing is I love the challenge, and this is for the homework challenge by Lauren Home. I follow her on Instagram, and this week's challenge is actually a guest challenge by Stefan Kunz, and I will leave links to the challenge and all of these people I just mentioned also. What I'm going to do is I'm going to color this and draw this in, and I'm going to speed it up because it's going to take a while, but you're welcome to watch and enjoy it. So here's a close-up of the finished sketch. I usually use these dual brush pens either for watercoloring or lettering, and I wanted to show you that you could use it just as a marker. Use it to color because they come in very pretty colors, and I love the way all the colors go together because the pastel palette is chosen so. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Hit the subscribe button if you like this video, share it with friends, and I'll see you again soon. Happy crafting!